Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is another Instant Pot recipe. This time I'm going to be making mushroom risotto in the Instant Pot. Now I've never done this before, so this is kind of an experiment. So I've got my Instant Pot on saute, so I'm going to add about a half an onion chopped. And we're going to let that saute for about 5 minutes or so till the onions start getting translucent. Okay, the onions are getting translucent, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. And we're going to let that go for about a minute. Next, we're going to add in a 10-ounce package of sliced cremini mushrooms. I just get these from Trader Joe's. Super easy. And we're going to let these cook for about 3 minutes. The mushrooms are going to release their moisture, and so you probably won't need to add any more moisture here. I am sauteing in broth. I don't know if I said that. So this is a no oil recipe. So we'll let these go for about 3 minutes. So the mushrooms have released their moisture. And then I'm going to just put in a little bit of broth to kind of deglaze the bottom of the pan. And I'm using mushroom broth, but if you don't have mushroom broth, you can use vegetable broth. That's totally fine. So you just want to get all those little bits that are on the bottom of the pan. There's a lot of flavor there. And we'll just let that go for a minute or so. And while you were sauteing the mushrooms, it's important to stir them quite frequently so they don't stick or burn. Just kind of keep them moving. So we'll let this go for about a minute. Okay. Now we're going to add a cup of this kind of rice, Arborio. You have to use this kind of rice for risotto or it just is not going to come out as well. This is going to fluff up and become creamy. It's really good. So I'm going to add a cup to our pot here and just get it all incorporated. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. I've got some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and some dried parsley. So we'll get that in there. At this point, I'm going to turn the saute feature off. I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of broth. I might even add just a hair more. And then let's get it all stirred up and incorporated. Put the top on, make sure it's on seal. You want to do manual for 6 minutes. So we'll see you back when the rice is done. Okay, 6 minutes are up. We did a quick release. Fingers crossed. Like I said, I've never made this before, so here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful. Let me just put some in a bowl here. I'll show it to you. I'm going to garnish it with a little parsley. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Now we need to taste it. That's the true test, right? It's all about the taste. Okay, I'm going in. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Really hot. Oh my gosh. This is bursting with flavor. It came out fluffy and creamy, mushroomy. definitely a winner. I'm glad I did my little experiment because it was a success. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.